Welcome to this tutorial on Java interoperability in Kotlin. One of Kotlin's most powerful features is its seamless integration with Java. Kotlin was designed from the ground up to work perfectly with Java, allowing developers to use existing Java libraries, frameworks, and codebases without any friction. In this video, you'll learn how to call Java code from Kotlin, making it easy to leverage millions of existing Java libraries while writing modern, concise Kotlin code. This interoperability means you can gradually migrate Java projects to Kotlin or simply use both languages together in the same project. Before diving into the technical details, let's understand why Java interoperability matters. First, it allows you to leverage existing libraries. There are millions of Java libraries and frameworks already available, and Kotlin can use all of them directly. Second, it enables gradual migration. You don't need to rewrite your entire Java codebase at once. You can migrate projects to Kotlin incrementally, one file at a time. Third, seamless integration means you can use Java and Kotlin together in the same project without any issues. Finally, Kotlin offers 100% compatibility with Java. Every piece of Java code you've written or used can work perfectly with Kotlin. Let's start with the basics. Using Java classes in Kotlin. Calling Java classes from Kotlin is straightforward and natural. Consider a simple Java class called user with a private field name and a public getter method called getName. In Kotlin, you can instantiate this Java class just like any Kotlin class using the user constructor. Then, you can call the Java method getName directly on the instance. The syntax is clean and simple, with no special configuration or setup required. Kotlin treats Java classes as first-class citizens, allowing you to work with them as if they were written in Kotlin. One of Kotlin's convenient features is how it handles Java getters and setters. When a Java class has methods that follow the standard naming convention, like getName and setName, Kotlin automatically treats them as properties. For example, if you have a Java person class with private field name and public methods getName and setName, in Kotlin, you don't need to call these methods explicitly. Instead, you can access the name field directly as a property. Setting person.name equals Alice actually calls the setName method behind the scenes. Similarly, reading person.name calls the getName method. This makes your Kotlin code cleaner and more concise while still maintaining full compatibility with Java. In Java, methods can have a void return type, meaning they don't return any value. In Kotlin, there is no void keyword. Instead, Kotlin uses a type called unit. When you call a Java method that returns void from Kotlin, it automatically returns unit. For example, if you have a Java method called printMessage that returns void and prints a message to the console, you can call it from Kotlin. If you assign the result to a variable, that variable will have the value Kotlin.unit. Unit represents the absence of a meaningful value and is similar to void in Java, but it's an actual type in Kotlin. This design decision makes Kotlin's type system more consistent. Sometimes, Java code may use method names that are keywords in Kotlin, such as is, object, or when. Since these are reserved words in Kotlin, you cannot use them directly. However, Kotlin provides a solution. You can escape these names using backticks. For example, if a Java class has a method called is, which is a valid identifier in Java but a keyword in Kotlin, you can call it from Kotlin by wrapping the method name in backticks. So instead of calling object.is, you write object.backtick is backtick. This escape mechanism allows you to call any Java method, even if its name conflicts with Kotlin keywords, ensuring complete interoperability. Null Safety is one of Kotlin's key features, but Java doesn't have built-in null safety. When Kotlin interacts with Java code, it uses something called platform types. Platform types are Java types with unknown nullability, meaning Kotlin doesn't know whether they can be null or not. When working with platform types, you should use safe call operators and null checks to prevent null pointer exceptions. The safe call operator, ? Allows you to call methods safely on potentially null objects. The not null assertion operator, ? asserts that a value is not null, but use it carefully as it can throw an exception if the value is actually null. Additionally, Java annotations like @nullable and @notnull help provide nullability information to Kotlin, making your code safer. Kotlin and Java have different type systems, but they map to each other seamlessly. Understanding these mappings helps you work with Java code more effectively. Java's primitive type int maps to Kotlin's int class. Java's long primitive maps to Kotlin's long. Java's string class is the same in both languages, so no conversion is needed. Java's object class, which is the root of all Java classes, maps to Kotlin's anytype. And as we discussed earlier, Java's void return type maps to Kotlin's unit type. These mappings happen automatically, so you don't need to perform any manual conversions when calling Java code from Kotlin. Java and Kotlin collections work seamlessly together. Java collection classes like ArrayList, HashMap, and HashSet can be used directly in Kotlin. For example, if you create a Java array list of strings, you can use it in Kotlin as a mutable list. In Kotlin, you can call methods like add to insert elements, just as you would with a native Kotlin collection. When you print the list, it displays the elements correctly. The beauty of this interoperability is that you can pass Java collections to Kotlin functions and vice versa without any conversion or wrapper code. This makes it easy to integrate Kotlin into existing Java projects that use standard Java collection classes. Let's recap what we've learned about Java interoperability in Kotlin. First, you can call Java classes directly from Kotlin without any special configuration. The syntax is natural and straightforward. Second, Java getters and setters automatically become properties in Kotlin, making your code cleaner and more concise. Third, when working with Java code, be mindful of null safety. Use platform types carefully and apply safe call operators to prevent null pointer exceptions. Finally, Java collections work seamlessly with Kotlin, allowing you to use existing Java collection classes without any conversion. With these concepts, you can confidently integrate Java code into your Kotlin projects and take advantage of the vast ecosystem of Java libraries while writing modern, expressive Kotlin code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.